Welcome to the TechHub Power BI Visualizing Volume Challenge solution. We are going to create a chart in Power BI showing the companies with the highest total trading volumes in 2026. First of all, we are going to pull up the Power BI, and then we are going to import the data file into the Power BI. Since our data file is written in CSV, make sure to choose CSV format to import the file. I'm going to choose CSV, connect, bring the file, and click load. Now the data file has been successfully loaded. Now we are going to use tree map for our visualization. Bring the tree map from the visualization pane to the canvas first. After that, we are going to insert name and volume to the chart. First, double-click the tree map under visualization pane. And we are going to increase the size. Now we are going to head to the data pane, which is on the far right, and click the drop down and bring the name and volume by clicking the box next to them. Now we are going to hit the drop down next to the date so we can bring the year to the filter so we can only see the data in the year 2016. So we are going to change this criteria to 2016 and apply filter. Okay, now we are going to filter top 25 stocks. This is how you do it. So first, you go to the filter pane and click on the name. Now we are going to change the filter type to top N and type in 25 in the show items. And by value, we are going to bring the volumes and then apply filter. Now we have top 25 stocks that has the highest volumes. Thank you very much.